guys, Ms Shelby here. Today we're going to be doing an art project for the letter A, because this week we're learning about A. So I chose apple, A for apple, and this is our paper plate we're going to use. We need red paint or green paint, glue, a paintbrush, scissors, and either green or brown paper for your stem. And okay, so I'm going to start with the apple. We're going to paint the whole plate. And then once you're done painting the plate, you're gonna cut out your stem. All right, and then after your stem is cut out, you're gonna glue it. Oh, wrong side. Haven't done one of these guys in a long time. I forgot what side it goes on. All right, so you're gonna glue it to that side. So there's your apple.